Hello and welcome back to Logistics 9's Yiwu Market Tour vlog, where we're delving into the diverse and stylish world of garments and fashion apparel at China's most popular wholesale market. Today, we'll guide you through the latest fashion trends and fabrics at Yiwu International Trade Mart, showcasing an array of products perfect for apparel importers. Let's begin our journey with some must-haves from women's fashion. Welcome to the activewear section. The suppliers here offer the latest styles in sportswear, yoga, and gym clothes, all meticulously crafted for optimal performance and style. And here's the best part: you can get these pieces customized in factories right here in Yiwu. For the little ones, don't miss out on their trendy kidswear collection. From adorable outfits to playful ensembles, Yiwu has everything to keep little fashionistas looking their best. Are you looking for advertising shirts or customizable clothes that vibe with your brand? Yiwu's got you covered. Here, you can also shop for staff uniforms and other apparel items tailored to match your brand perfectly. It doesn't just cater to the active lifestyle, it also has something for those moments of leisure. Whether for relaxing at home or enjoying a casual outing, Yiwu boasts an impressive selection of loungewear sets in the trendiest designs, ensuring comfort without compromising on fashion. Importers can get these customized to match their brand, adding logos, preferred designs, and packaging options. As the seasons change, so should your inventory, and Yiwu prepares you for the colder months with premium quality winter wear, from trendy sweaters and cardigans to woolen vests, ensuring your customers stay warm in style. Take a look at this stunning display of scarves. What a variety of styles, colors, and patterns. Whether you're looking for cozy knits or lightweight wraps, Yiwu Market vendors offer a diverse range to cater to all preferences. And the best part? It's all available at factory prices. While at Yiwu, you can always stock up your inventory with wedding wear that speaks to the dreams of every bride. For those in search of the latest trends from South Korea, head to the 7th floor of Yiwu Hwangyuan Market for curated pieces of imported clothing. From formal attire to casual wear, their collection offers a diverse array of styles to suit every taste and occasion. And when it comes to fabrics, Yiwu Market has got you covered with infinite options. From a variety of prints in natural fabrics like cotton, linen, wool, silk, and satin, to specialty fabrics like nets, furs, and laces, here is a world of possibilities to bring your fashion creations to life. Whether you're browsing materials for apparel, accessories, or home decor, you'll find an abundance of options at Yiwu International Trade Mart. First up, we have a selection of natural fabrics, including luxuriously soft cotton. From traditional prints to modern abstracts, there's something to suit every taste and style. Here you can see a display of silk and satin rolls, each boasting a variety of shades for every preference and project. Whether you want to import bold and vibrant hues or soft pastels, you can find the perfect materials here. Unfortunately, due to photography restrictions, we weren't able to capture footage of the premium wool and yarn selection at the market. However, rest assured that importers have access to a wide range of options, including merino, tweed, and snow yarn, all of the highest quality. What sets this market apart is its commitment to serving wholesalers like you. With direct access to the latest designs and factory prices, you can stay ahead of the trends while maximizing your profit margins. For those who prefer synthetic fabrics, Yiwu offers a huge variety in polyester, satin, chiffon, georgette, and crepe, rayon, nylon, and more, ensuring versatility and affordability. Let's take a look at this display of delicate net materials with a more subtle look. Perfect for crafting elegant garments or adding accents to textile projects. These are available in a variety of colors and seasonal prints, as seen here, from floral motifs to geometric patterns. There's something to cater to every taste. Let's move on to the specialty fabrics section, glittering with bright party colors and shimmery designs. These fabrics are perfect for venue decor or adding a touch of glamour to your inventory. Lace fabrics are timeless classics that never go out of style, making them a must-have for any fashion-forward brand. Whether you're looking for delicate floral lace or intricate geometric designs, they have something for everyone. Yiwu's specialty fabric section offers the tiniest embellishment you need to add texture and dimension to your designs, including fox fur trimmings and plush fabric accessories. At Yiwu International Trade Mart, you can shop for a diverse array of fashion-forward products, from cozy cords to bridal wear and everything in between. Whether you're catering to activewear enthusiasts or those in search of specialized fabrics, the competent factories here have got your back. What sets sourcing from Yiwu Market apart is not just the sheer variety available, but also the flexibility we offer to bulk buyers. When importers choose to work with us, we leverage our capabilities to customize products to their brand requirements, including logos, labels, and different packaging options, so sellers can truly make their mark in the fashion industry and stand out from the crowd. If any of these beautiful products caught your eye and you'd like to import them, just drop us a WhatsApp message. See you in our next video, where we'll continue to browse even more exciting wholesale China products only at Yiwu International Trademark. Thanks for watching.